So these are the palette knife available in market. You will always get a set of 5 or 4. Okay, maybe this 2, any one of them will get it in a set of 4, either this way or maybe you'll get it in this way, which is absolutely fine. Fine. So how to apply color with the help of palette knife? Let us understand that first. I have a pink color right now, so I'll take a pink color. I am using butter paper as a palette. If you don't have a butter paper, you can use any plastic sheet for using it as a palette. I am using acrylic color, simple acrylic color. And you have to use color very thick, so don't add any water to your colors. So this is the first palette knife. Okay, and see how it is been used. I will be taking it nicely. I'll mix it over here, and you have to take the color. See, I'm taking the color. Okay, can you see what I did? See, you have to take the color like this in the palette, and now see how the color is coming. This shape, because of this shape, it will come in this way. The same knife, again I am taking color. Okay, and if I change the angle now, right now I did it in this way, plain. If I change the angle like this, if I tilt it little like this, I mean I'm angle में ऐसा कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा, then see how it comes. See, very thin line I am getting with the same palette. How am I supposed to do? I have to merge the colors with this. See. Can you see how I merged it? How to spread the colors on a piece of paper. Can you see? It is not as smooth as you will get in case of brush. Try to understand. But see the texture that is created. You get texture, some kind of a texture. If I put the palette like this and I take it like this, again I take it like this, can you see some textures? Can you see the texture? Lovely texture has been created.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are different ways of using. I have just taken a single knife and see what I can create. Now if I want to use some other color with the same knife, okay, let me take a blend. Let me try to blend this with yellow color. Just a minute, I'll just take the other yellow which is open. I'm placing it nicely. थोड़ा और कलर लेंगे. See, you have to take the color nicely in your knife. आराम से. अगर आप दूसरा शेड बनाना चाहते हो तो भी देखो, आपको ऐसे ही मिक्स करना है कलर्स को. देखो, इवन मिक्सिंग इज टू बी डन विथ नाइफ ओनली. आप कुछ और चीज़ आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. यू डोंट रिक्वायर एनीथिंग एल्स. सी, आई गॉट द मिडल कलर and I'll put this color nicely in the middle. So can you see how I merged it? Pink, यहाँ proper yellow है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा pinkish yellow है. Just try to feel it. So now I see. Just see. Can you see how my knife is looking right now? Can you see? So you are asking now how to wash it. See, what I do, I generally do it in this way. I'll just dip it in the water, okay, and then I take a rough sag, okay. First I dip it in the water. थोड़ा सा, if you want, you can just make the sag also little wet, okay. थोड़ा सा गीला करना, थोड़ा सा let it be a little wet over here, and see, it will become clean. No need to, go somewhere under the tap and hold it, do this and that, nothing. Can you see? It's absolutely. Okay, now I am taking the big one. The big one helps you to color bigger portions very fast. For example, if I am to do with this palette knife from here till here, it is very easy to take it like this, very easy with the big one. It can cover from a single knife very easily, one over there, and if another one I keep like this, rolling over here, like this, I can just cover the entire page. But with the same technique, but with this small knife, it is not possible to cover it only with two strokes like this over here and like this over here. You have to keep on doing many times. You have to spread the colors in this way nicely. Understood? That is the only difference. So every shape and size is going to give you a different texture, a different outlook in your painting. So right now I'm taking this, and I have taken two color, which is one is red, one is blue. So I'll take this color nicely in my knife. You have to take it nicely. Huh? If you don't take it nicely, you'll not going to get a very smooth, nice effect. See, now I am taking it in this way. Okay, you can also take it in this way. Both are correct. If I push it in this way, I am getting texture like this. If I push it like this and keep on taking like this, then another texture is created. Similarly, now I have to take blue color. So what will I do? I'll just take out this. I'll wash it out properly with a cloth, rough cloth. So now it has been washed properly. Now I'll dip it on blue color. Now I'll take the blue color nicely with this knife. Okay, can you see I've taken a blue color and I'll put it over here. See how nicely you can spread it. And here I have to merge it now in this area. This is red, this is blue. Here I should get a violet or a purplish tone. So I can directly mix it like this in between, or second technique, I can mix the color over here first with blue. Okay, with blue I am mixing and I am taking color from here now after mixing. And I'll keep that color over here. I'll keep on applying this color over here. So before color get dry, I have to merge it properly. So I'll just, wash my knife properly so that my merging will be nicely done. थोड़ा सा I will require the blue color. Add down. It is getting dried up, so it's not merging properly. I'll just take little bit of blue. See, it will get merged. See, now it is getting merged slowly. Initially it was not getting merged. You can see the line, but now it is getting merged nicely. So before the colors get dry, you have to start doing to get the proper result. See, can you see how smoothly it is now? Now there is no distinguished line. Similarly, I have to take, now my red is also little dried up, so I'll take a red over here in my knife. Okay, I'm taking red over here again, and before the violet get dried up, I have to merge it nicely with violet. Can you see now? Can you see the merging? The difference? It takes time. See, I also took 5 minutes to merge it properly. So you have to do it very diligently very nicely. Whenever the any of the shade is getting dried up, put some more color of the same shade and then try to merge it. You will get a very nice result. And now I'll take yellow, direct yellow, and I'm putting it like this. See, the yellow is looking pretty good because my yellow color is very thick compared to other colors. So, see, it is very prominent. Can you see the bush kind of an effect? Just with the help of the single tool that I used. And every time I took the color where? Just at the tip. I have not taken it on any other surface. It is clean, absolutely clean. So this kind of a bush effect also you can create.